I think it might be easier, as Hunter was saying, use a full bottle. You can just kind of squirt it in there. It's not, you know, what you need to do is do this here, is take the plastic off there. Alright, so today on Hard Way Learning we're working on the Subaru, which is a rare gem on this channel because we usually work on the Miata a lot. Today we are taking care of the rear differential. We're going to drop the fluid out of that, freshen it up a little bit. Kind of a regular maintenance thing that you should do to a car. So first things first, you jack the car up. As you see here, we got it on 4 jack stands. I got the actual jack on the rear diff, just cause, you know, just in case something goofy happens, the car somehow falls, that'll maybe catch it before it crushes my face. Without further ado, we will get underneath the car. First bolt you want to remove is the fill bolt, because it's higher, and you don't want to get screwed over where you get the drain bolt off and you can't get the fill bolt on, and then you can't fill it. So you want to make sure you can get the fill bolt off first and then try to drain it. So on the rear differential, it's a square 1/2 inch bolt, so I'm going to adapt my 3/8 inch drive to a 1/2 inch and just get it off that way. So if you'll follow me down here. So the top bolt is the fill and the bottom bolt is the drain. So we're going to try to loosen up the top bolt. And that is pretty good on there. And I really wish I brought my torch to heat it up. Alright, so we got some stubborn bolts up here. So we picked up some Work It Like a Pro Blaster PB Powerful Rust Penetrating Catalyst. There's no straw. So we're gonna hose this sucker down. Whoa. And then let that sit for a while. Let's see here, contents are flammable. Got a feeling that might be the case.
Spray the poop out of it.
Shake can, completely saturate. I didn't shake.
Nice.
Can. If you think it's not enough, go ahead. Give it another spray. Let it sit a few minutes. Tap lightly, respray to hasten results. Alright, we'll let it sit. Alright, so we hit it with some PB Blaster. We loosened up the top bolt. It's now moving. I can return the torch. So that saves me 20 bucks. But one trick that we found was if you position yourself the way I am right now, you can put your foot down on the tire over there and then pull like this. And then that loosens it up. And you just lay here for a while.
Dead.
Recover. So now that you know you've got the fill loose, you can fully take out the drain. I'll let her drain, we'll do that next. Woo! Now I gotta go find that receipt so I can return the torch. Booyah! Another trick when you're loosening a really stubborn bolt is you always want to pull and not push. That way you don't bust your knuckles on anything.
Also leverage.
And you also have more leverage, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Getting this? Getting this, Chief? Alright, we got this guy loose. And now the black sludge of doom. So there's actually a magnet on the end of this that collects any shavings from the diff. It doesn't look too bad. So once that's done draining, we'll clean it off, plug it back up, and fill it from the top with some 75W90 differential fluid, oil fluid. All this rust right here is why we don't drive the Miata in the winter. Alright, so it's pretty much done draining out, so we can clean it up a little bit. Put our drain plug back in. Now, this isn't a load bearing bolt, so you really shouldn't have to crank on it. Kind of snug it up. Right there. And then we will undo our fill plug and we will clean that guy up a little bit and start filling her up with our 75W90 that your cameraman will so graciously hand to you. Right. Oh, I think it's in the back behind your seat.
Cripes. Diddly dee, look at that. We got two of them. Two of the 75W90.
Yeah, one of them's already open, I believe.
It's that one.
Squeeze it in there, nice.
How do you? How much you have to put in there?
A lot.
Kyle ate a lot of beans yesterday. Use a bigger bottle and then you can put the other one in there.
I suppose. This bottle was left over from the transmission job we did a couple weeks ago on this car. So I think it might be easier, as Hunter was saying, use a full bottle. So you can just kind of squirt it in there. That's not, you know what you need to do is do this here, is take the plastic off there.
Might be a redneck. Kyle here is SAE certified. Mobile 1 going in.
See that? Look at that flow. Anytime it wants to get full. Here we go. It's leaking out the top. That means you're full. Alright, now I think we just cap her off. Call her a day. Snug that guy down, and you'll be on your way doing some sweet
Drifting.
drifting.
What does differential fluid exactly do?
Helps keep the gears in your differential lubricated.
Differential.
Differential transfers the rotational motion of your drive shaft to rotational motion in a 90-degree
Fashion.
going this way, and we're going that way.
Oh, okay.
So, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
Diddly dee.